In this video, we're going to explore a $5 million plus e-commerce store that is totally crushing it in a very crowded market. Now, we're going to get right into this. The store I'm talking about is called Wavytalk. Now, Wavytalk sells hair tools, hair styling tools to be specific. And the results that you see right here, the $4.6 million in the last 30 days, are actually just from their TikTok shop alone. Now, let's just dive into a lot of different things here. My name is Ari, by the way. If you're totally new here, this is my Instagram. This is some of the things that I do. And I actually have a company called Ecommerce. Chemilab.com is where you can find us, where we help businesses grow, especially on Shopify. We scale a lot of stores to pretty cool levels. And I see a lot of data all the time. So I'm constantly trying to study more and more of what the biggest brands on Shopify in the world and in e-commerce in the world are doing, so that I can also get there one day with some of our companies and some of the brands that we help. Now, let's continue here. One thing that is really interesting is that this is actually an Amazon store. I tried pretty hard to find these guys anywhere but on Amazon, and they're nowhere to be found. So even if you look them up on Facebook for Facebook ads, right, you don't find anything. I mean, you see other brands kind of running ads to their Amazon picks listing. So I guess this is some sort of Amazon affiliate page that they're running. You know, somebody's running ads to this page, and I guess they just have all the latest trending products from TikTok and whatnot on here and make affiliate commissions. Now, this is the brand. It's called Wavytalk, like I just mentioned. Now, I do want to show you here kind of the power of TikTok, right? And this is actually a huge missing opportunity, in my opinion. I think they should totally have a Shopify store as well, so that they could run meta ads and collect an email list, drive a lot of retention. These are all things that are really important if you want to be super profitable and you want to continue to grow and, you know, increase the lifetime value of your customers, which will then allow you to scale even further. If you're a complete beginner, you know, just write those things down in your head, I guess, but you don't need that quite yet, right? Like, make sure that you just launch your ideas. But as you see, they have an infinite Rolodex of content. It's pretty crazy. All these girls are making content about their products. And as you see, some of these have millions and millions of views. I mean, these collectively have over 5 million views, and that's with zero money spent on ads. Now, of course, if they wanted to get crazy with it, and this is part of the strategy that we like to utilize, we would Spark code these videos and run TikTok ads behind them as well, and then also get the rights to the videos so that we could run them on Meta and explode the Shopify store through these proven videos. I mean, it's a pretty simple strategy when you think about it, but it's easier said than done. Obviously, it's easier to say it than it is to put into practice. But let's actually look at some of these videos here so that you can learn how to replicate this. I know that you may not be running a store in this category, but I think watching some of the best content here that is also converting very well on TikTok Shop will definitely help you get an idea of some of the content that even you could make for your store in order to sell your products. So let's look at this video.
Let's straighten the lion's mane. I don't know, this hair might be getting a little too long. I need your guys' help.
So
do I
she
do
just
a
has
trim
a
or do
lot
I
of hair.
keep my hair long like this? I actually don't know if my hair has
And
ever
it's pretty
been this
eye-catching.
long. You will
But
see
it's such
when
a
it's
raw
well
video.
straightened how long it really is, because obviously with curls, they shrink.
Wow. Talk about a good product
First
demo.
pass. I have always loved and wanted super long hair. Now that I have it, I'm like, it might be a little too much work. Pro tip: when you're done with a section, take it and wrap it around your bun so
This
you
is
can
so
easily
good.
get the rest of your hair without
I
it
mean,
getting
she's
in the way.
basically
We're still using a
educating
regular
people on
straightening
how to
iron.
use the product. I don't want to watch the whole video because it is kind of long, but she's basically going through a very simple framework of, you know, stating a problem. She has all this curly hair and it's a lot of work. So she's going to show people, you know, even though it is a lot of work, how she does it, having all that hair. You know, she sort of puts forward the solution, which is the Wavytalk hair curler, and then, you know, just continues to kind of tell stories in a way, right? If you think about it foundationally. And also, that kind of gives an air of relatability. So, you know, it's no surprise that this video has 23 million views, and actually, they are sparking this video. They are putting ad spend behind it, as you see. So actually, if we take a look at it, if we click it, we can probably see some of the deeper metrics. This is a software called Calodata. I love Calodata. I'm a big partner of theirs. They're actually one of our clients at Ecommerce. We run their ads. But I love the software so much. It's actually my favorite software right now for intelligence and data collection. So as you see, it shows some of the other ads too. They're all pretty similar, I guess, but let's see some of the other ones that have produced very big revenue numbers. It's probably better if we just go back here. So let's see this one. It's loading.
Let's blow out my hair. You have naturally straight
so
hair.
it's the same girl.
Don't get me wrong, I love to wear my hair natural once in a while, but nothing beats a good blowout. You love the look of a bouncy blowout, but you hate the noise of a blow dryer. You need the
Okay. Let me see this girl. Honestly, she's probably printing money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. I feel like we're in an affiliate marketing renaissance here, as well as an e-com renaissance, and it's pretty crazy that this brand is just taking full advantage of Amazon and TikTok Shop, right? Without even having a Shopify presence, as far as I can see, because Amazon is also now integrating with TikTok Shop, which, you know, is just going to supercharge this brand to the next level even. But one thing I did notice is that their prices are extremely affordable. So this is a recession-proof kind of business, in my opinion. I think these prices are super, super good. I don't know how they pull it off. They probably have just amazing manufacturers that they work with, either in China, which you can find on Alibaba.com. Alibaba is still a great resource for finding suppliers, at least finding suppliers that can even connect you to other suppliers, etc. But yeah, it's kind of interesting to me that they don't run any sort of Facebook ads as far as I can tell. I think this market is massive. 43.3 billion in 2023 is what the hairstyling tools market did. And I actually figured something out that's kind of interesting. If you go on Google Trends and you type hairstyling tools, the trend is very, strong. It's consistently going up, but it does spike more. A more consistent trend that's still upward leaning is just hair tools, which makes sense, right? Like, what's the average person going to type when they're trying to look for these kinds of products? They wouldn't say hairstyling tools. They'd likely just say hair tools. It's just something I thought about that I thought was interesting. But yeah, this was another noteworthy thing from this video, just running ads to a pre-lander here, even if it is for Amazon. That's what they're doing. They're doing it for an Amazon product. So if you're an Amazon brand, consider doing that. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Peace.